So you're almost going to come in on that black piling there, and your anchor's almost going to touch it, and then you're going to rotate into your well.
Already starting to.
Yep. So just keep coming forward like your anchor is going to kiss that black piling up there. Yep. Keep riding that port. Yep. All right. And now come reverse on the left. There you go. And you'll start to rotate in. Look at that. All right. And then get ready to come the other way to stop yourself. And then go neutral on that left one. And then reverse again to stop yourself. And boom, that's a docked boat. How'd you feel on that one?
Pretty good.
That was really good.
Thanks.
You came in really nicely. You lined up all your approaches. You got your rotation point lined up at the center of the well. That was really good.
Thank you. Yeah, it felt nice.